How to fix Instagram confirmation code not receiving in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. All what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down and go to the apps. After that, all what you have to do is go to the apps again right here on this page. As you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just go to Instagram right here, and then all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the storage option and click here on the clear data and the clear cache. Go back again, and now go to the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled like this. Now click on force stop and restart your phone, and the Instagram problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.